respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Azim Jamadar from grade 6. I am here to lead today's morning assembly performed by Agastya House. As day has been started, we should know today's day and date. So I would like to call SHRI from gate first.
Good morning all of you. My name is SHRI. I am studying in first class. I am today tell you today day and date. Today is Tuesday and today date is 1st October 2024. Have a nice day ahead.
To make this day thoughtful, I would like to call Sarmat Mobin from grade 3rd.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sarmat Mobin from grade 3rd. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is wisdom begins in wonder. Meaning of this thought is, in order to become wise, we first look much at the question, the world around us. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
History tells us what had happened in the past on this day. So I would like to call Mohammad Ali from grade 8.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Mohammad Ali Daryavardi from grade 8. Today I am here to tell you today's history and speciality of the day. First, International Music Day. It is celebrated globally to honor the act of music and impact on cultures and society. Second, International Day of Older Person. Third, Walt Disney World. The theme park of the Florida had opened its doors on 1st October 1971, becoming one of the most visited destinations in the world. Thank you and have a great day.
News are mirror of our society. We should know what is happening around us. So I would like to call Vedanti Pujari from grade 8.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Vedanti Kiran Pujari, studying in grade 8, standing before you to tell today's news headlines. First, Greece officials and Navy head discuss strategic alliances. Second, Haryana elections, high stakes, battle of dynasties. Third, government will decide on India's travel to Pakistan for Championship Trophy, BCCI. Fourth, as the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court, Justice Manmohan takes an oath. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
India makes our language beautiful and more attractive. So I would like to call Pari Umrania from grade 2.
Good morning everyone. My name is Parinani Shumrania from class 5th. I am here to tell idiom of the day. Today's idiom of the day is on the dot. It means to be punctual. And sentence. Raj is usually on the dot, but today he is late. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Our life is incomplete without learning. Now it is time to learn new words. That is vocabulary of the day. So I would like to call Mahiti Alakia from grade 5.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Mahati, standing before you to tell you today's vocabulary. Today's vocabulary is reluctant. I repeat my word, reluctant. I spell my word, R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T. It meaning not willing to do anything. Sentence, he is reluctant to go to the party. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
It is time to wrap up our assembly. I declare that assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day.